Let me ask you something. If home prices in Fraser Valley were really going to come down, wouldn't we be seeing it clearly by now? Mortgage rates have been higher for a while. Inventory improved in the parts of Fraser Valley, and buyers are not competing the way they were a couple years ago. So it is reasonable to think this might finally be the year prices drop. But when we step back from headlines and focus on numbers here in Lower Mainland and across BC, the situation is not that simple. Yes, market has cooled down from the peak, but cooling off and the prices actually coming down are two different things. So today, let's break down what data is really showing and what it means for buyers and sellers in Surrey in 2026. No hype, no fear-based predictions, just real numbers and perspective. Let's start with the broader data across British Columbia. The Fraser Valley Real Estate Board reports that benchmark prices in Fraser Valley, including Surrey, Langley, Cloverdale, White Rock, remained relatively stable year over year, with some modest fluctuations depending on the location and property type. Detached homes, townhomes, and condos are not moving the same way, but overall, we are not seeing a sharp drop in values. The pattern is consistent, growth has slowed. Market feels calmer, but prices not broadly declining. Higher mortgage rates in Canada did reduce buyers' demand. But at the same time, many homeowners logged in ultra low rates a few years ago. That created a major hesitation to sell. Moving today often means trading a low fixed rate for something significantly higher, which keeps inventory tighter than expected. So even though demand cooled, supply never surged, and supply stays limited, prices tend to hold. Looking ahead, most forecasts across Canada remain steady and cautious. CREA is projecting modest price improvement nationally. Local Fraser Valley data points at balanced conditions, and the interest rate may adjust, but no major shock is expected. So does that really mean every neighborhood in Surrey and surrounding areas behaves the same? Some areas soften slightly, others may hold or even increase depending on demand, new construction, and local inventory. But overall, data does not support a major price correction. What we're seeing is normalization. The market has significantly shifted from rapid growth to a more stable pace, and that is a healthy environment long term. So, what does this mean if you are buying? If you are waiting for a major drop in home prices, the data suggests that may not happen. Buyers today do have advantages: less competition compared to peak years, more listing to choose from, and more room to negotiate on prices and terms. That flexibility can be just valuable as a lower price. Now, for the sellers, this is no longer a market where you can simply name your price and expect multiple offers. Pricing, preparation, and presentation matters more than ever. Buyers are more selective and they have options. The sellers who succeeded in today's real estate market right now are the ones who price correctly from start and position their home to stand out. So are the home prices finally coming down in 2026? Well, based on recent data, the answer may be no, but the prices are significantly lower than the peak of 2022. What we are seeing instead is a more balanced and stable market. Prices have leveled off, but broad declines are not showing up in numbers. If you want to understand what this means for your specific situation, whether you are buying or selling, the next step is to take a look at your local market. Reach out to schedule a one-on-one strategy call, and we built a plan that fits your goals. If you found this is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss on future market updates and practical real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.